I love the front patio area.
Oh yeah.
That's really nice.
Hey guys.
Hi.
Hey.
So come on in.
All
We're
right.
at still in Saddle Ridge Development.
Okay.
This one is 4 beds, 2.5 baths, just over 2,000 square feet finished.
Okay.
Unfinished basement right now, so give you some options on how to do it.
I
Let's
love
check it out.
this.
Yes.
The
Yeah.
wainscoting, I think it's called.
It's
Yeah.
not quite as, there's not as much natural light coming in though.
Yeah, but you have more square footage upstairs. Wow, this is a really nice size. I really like this one too.
Yeah.
I really like the whole entrance when you walk in.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Oh wow.
And a fireplace.
Wow, I really like
That is nice. Yeah, this feels,
this
see, doesn't this feel a lot larger than the last when we were
It
in?
does.
It does.
That's a
I
nice
could see
picture.
us enjoying this space a lot more. Like, I kind of like that there's not carpeting in here too. Like, I think in the last one we looked at, there was carpeting in.
Yeah.
We have a husky, so she sheds basically all the time, and that would make it probably a little easier to clean. I really like the kitchen. It's just really open.
This would be good for entertaining.
Yeah, it would, for sure. I love it.
3-stall garage.
Yes, 3-stall garage. I love the mudroom.
I like the setup.
Yeah, me too. And it's like tucked away a little bit, but
Alright,
okay.
let's check out.
Oh, wow.
Look at the view.
Yeah. Wow, I love how bright it is in here.
I like the carpet too.
Mm-hmm.
It actually
Yeah.
seems like bigger than the last master.
It does.
One, not as huge as that other one, but
Okay.
still
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah, I wish it had the, they call them his and her sinks where too, because yeah, he definitely hogs the whole sink. Like,
You see the shower? It's got nice tile and
yeah,
backsplash in there.
I like it. Yeah, this would be nice. And it looks like a jacuzzi tub too.
Yeah, really nice.
Yeah, I really like this. Good size.
Huh.
Oh my gosh, I love the window seat. That is awesome.
Yeah.
I really like that. This is totally Eichel's room.
She would definitely be up
Oh
there.
my gosh, she would just sit up there and watch cars go by like all day. I think this was probably our biggest concern for the price of the house, not having the finished basement, and just trying to figure out how much that would cost. We're extending our budget a little bit too for this one,
sure.
and not having the finished basement is kind of a drawback.
Yeah.
So we'd have to do it ourselves, which is good and bad. Yeah, I like this yard a lot better. It's like a little smoother. It's not really as private as the last house, but
Yeah,
I grew up out in the country, so you didn't have, like, you weren't as close to everybody, so it's different for me.
You like on the swing?
No.
Do you like having this?
Yeah, I really like that.
Concrete.
We have like the patio out the walkout area here, and then you've got your patio up there. That's really nice. You know, it's not very private, but I think that there's a lot of potential.
Yeah, I agree. This yard's a lot better than the last one.
Alright, so first impressions, what do you guys think?
Yeah, I like a
really
lot
like
of the
it.
features in the house too.
Yeah,
Like the nice railing, the wainscoting.
yeah, yep. And the kitchen layout in the living room, it was so open. There's so much light, like natural light coming in, and oh, it's a really beautiful house.
Yeah.
Alright, well, we'll keep it on the list. We have a couple more to
Okay.
see.
Yeah. Do you like the dining room? I'm not a fan of the built-in buffet there. We would have nowhere for our hearts to go. This is a really nice sized living room.
Yeah, gas fireplace.
Yeah.
Good size.
Ooh, kitchen's nice.
Is it better than the other kitchen though?
No, that kitchen set the bar pretty high, I think, for me.
Yeah.
It is nice though. Oh wow, this is a really good size.
Wow, this is a nice basement.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Oh, this is nice. Okay.
Nice view out the window.
Yeah. Wow. There's a lot of storage in here.
Storage.
I do like this basement a lot. It's nice that it's all finished. It's a good size though.
Yeah.
See the master bath? Oh, there's the 2 sinks. One thing I liked about the property we looked at before was the community
Sure.
I felt like it was more like a community
Okay.
with the sidewalks and
park and all
yeah, and you
that.
could see the kids out and people walking their dogs. This one doesn't quite have the same feel. I do really like the yard.
Okay, so what do you guys think?
We think it's a nice house. It's probably not quite the right fit for us.
Okay.
I think this house would be perfect if I was a little older, like 75 or 80.
Well, I knew it seemed like you really liked the one in Saddle Ridge.
Yeah.
So we'll chat about strategies and stuff. You think you might put an offer in?
I think so.
Yeah.
Okay.
We got one more to look at, but I think that one's my number one ranked
Okay.
one.
I agree.
Yeah.
So, well, let's get on to the next one.
All right. Sounds good. Thank you.